What if I told you that you could get 80% of a flagship camera experience for half the price? That's exactly what Huawei claims with the Pura 80. And after 1 week of intensive testing, I'm here to tell you whether that's marketing hype or genuine value. Today we're exploring the Huawei Pura 80, a device that promises flagship photography capabilities without the flagship price tag. This is my honest and unsponsored review. I'll take you through my complete hands-on experience, covering the unboxing, design, display, camera system, performance, and battery life. Now the burning question, does the Huawei Pura 80 actually deliver professional photography results at this price point? Let's find out. But first, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for our latest tech reviews and exclusive content. The Pura 80's clean white packaging feels premium yet practical. Inside, you'll find the phone showcasing its distinctive camera design, plus a protective case, a SIM ejector pin, USB-C cable, and 66-watt supercharged adapter. The thoughtful packaging immediately positions this as a serious photography tool at an accessible price point. Let's talk about the design. The Pura 80 impresses with refined design that balances premium aesthetics with everyday practicality. Compared to last year's Pura 70, the aluminum frame has metal brushed with curved edges that provide solid build quality, and the back is now more refined, anti-fingerprint thanks to its frosted glass material. At 211 grams and 8.2 millimeters thin, it feels substantial yet comfortable for daily use. Here on the right side, the volume racker, power button integrated with the fingerprint scanner, and it's really fast and more practical compared to in-display fingerprints. The camera bump is more symmetrical and not much bulky compared to its big brother, the Pura 80 Ultra. It's available in 3 different colors. I have here both the frosted gold and black, and there is a frosted white as well. Each finish showcases quality and personality. I really like the design and form factor of this device, especially the back panel that provides good grip while resisting fingerprints. It also supports IP68 and IP69 rating, ensures complete dust and water protection up to 2 meters within 30 minutes. Moving to its display, the device features a stunning 6.6-inch LTPO OLED panel that delivers visuals rivaling those of far more expensive smartphones. It offers an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate for exceptionally smooth scrolling and responsive interactions, all while intelligently optimizing battery consumption. A remarkable peak brightness of 2800 nits ensures excellent clarity and visibility even under direct sunlight, making it ideal for reviewing photos outdoors. For durability, the screen is protected by a second-generation Kunlun glass, which is rated to be 20 times more drop-resistant than conventional glass. This robust construction means you can confidently carry the phone in a pocket or bag without worrying about scratches or accidental damage. The display's color performance is equally impressive, covering a wide color gamut and supporting HDR for vibrant and true-to-life content. This is perfectly paired with a sharp 2.5K resolution that renders exquisite detail, making it an exceptional tool for accurately previewing photographs and enjoying high-quality media. Powering the device is the Kirin 9010S chipset, which provides a solid and reliable foundation for performance. This is complemented by 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, a combination that ensures smooth and responsive multitasking and efficient photo processing. To test its capabilities, I put it through demanding high-graphics games like PUBG, Mobile Legends, and Asphalt 9. While it may not run every title at the absolute maximum frame rate, the experience is consistently fluid and enjoyable without any significant lag, throttling, or concerning heat buildup. For accessing applications, you have 2 primary pathways. The first is Huawei's own app gallery, which now hosts the vast majority of popular apps you could need. For anything else, gaining access to Google Play Store services is a straightforward process. Simply download MicroG and Gbox directly from the app gallery, log in with your Gmail account, and you will have a gateway to virtually any other app you want. Now the cameras, this is where the Pura 80 shines. It is packed with quad-camera system consisting of a 50-megapixel primary sensor with adjustable physical aperture from f1.4 to f4.0 and with OIS that captures excellent detail and color in various lighting conditions. Advanced pixel binning delivers good low-light performance that exceeds expectations for this price range. The 12-megapixel telephoto offers 5.5 times optical zoom, extending to 50 times digital. The portrait mode creates appealing bokeh with good edge detection, as you can see here in my sample shoots. While the 12-megapixel ultra-wide captures expansive landscapes with minimal distortion, even in low-light conditions. Huawei's X-Mage engine uses computational photography to optimize every shot. For videography, this Pura 80 support video of 4K at 60 FPS with solid stabilization. Check this out, all my sample video. Now for front-facing camera, the 13-megapixel delivers sharp selfies, perfect for social media content and video call. It also supports 4K at 60 FPS video recording, and here is my sample shot.
Alright guys, so this is the camera of the Huawei Pura 80. It has 13-megapixel front-facing camera with 4K at 60 frames per second video recording. And this is the microphone test. So, what do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section below.
Moving forward to its battery, the 5170 mAh battery provides reliable all-day performance, delivering 6 to 8 hours of screen-on time with regular photography and daily use. Supports 66-watt supercharge, takes you from 0 to 100% in about 45 minutes, while 50-watt wireless charging offers convenient cable-free power-ups, and it even supports reverse wireless charging, which is great added features for emergency purposes. Now, here is my final verdict. The Huawei Pura 80 represents outstanding value in photography compact smartphones. Priced at 2,699 dirhams in Dubai, you're getting impressive camera capabilities, solid build quality, great display, reliable performance, and dependable battery life without paying flagship prices. If you want photography-focused compact smartphone experience at an accessible price, the Pura 80 deserves serious consideration. It delivers quality mobile photography that genuinely surprises. If you're impressed by what the Huawei Pura 80 brings to the table, you'll find purchase information in the description below. That wraps up today's review of the Huawei Pura 80. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out!